Hi, I'm Drew Taylor with DEXON USA, and we're here in our demo and training room where we have actual product running, a small video wall with a camera pointed at it. So when we do demos and trainings for our partners, they can, we can share the software and they can really see what's happening with our products on the video wall. So what we decided to do is make a series of short, easy to watch software training videos. And this is the first one, just giving you a product overview. So this series will be about the DIMAX-Pro product line. The DIMAX-Pro is a 3-in-1 solution combining routing matrix, presentation matrix, and video processor into a single chassis platform. This allows our partners to save time and money on installation and design. All 3 chassis sizes are available in 4K30, HDMI 1.4, and our 4-rack unit chassis is available in HDMI 2.0, full 4K60 with HDCP 2.2. Now this is a modular card cage platform. We have 3 size chassis and a whole variety of cards that we help you specify based on your project needs. Since our demo room is built with the latest 4K60 models, that's what we're going to focus on for this training series. So inputs and outputs include, on the input side, we have HDMI, HD-Base-T, 3G SDI. The output cards are really categorized as how many scalars we have, how many layers or windows per output. So if we start with our non-scaling output cards, we have either 4-port or 8-port in those, and that's basically just router outputs. Moving down to our PIP2 cards, that means we have 2 scalars per output. Another term for scalar is window or layer. And we'll see some different effects we can use with the scaling that's built in. And we also have PIP4 or PIP8 if you need a greater amount of scalars and layers. So moving on to the features, at the core, the DIMAX-Pro is a matrix switching backplane. That means any input can be routed to any or multiple outputs. Now we talked about different modes. One of those modes that we can run the system in is presentation matrix. Think of this as a scaled router. And you can set different effects on the output for switching. So thinking of the PIP2, we have 2 layers per output. We can utilize those 2 layers to do a crossfade dissolve between 2 sources. Or we can use them to do a seamless switch, like a cut on a production switcher. We never lose sync to the displays during switching, and multiple different resolutions are supported. You can do custom resolutions, you name it. So with scaling built in, that means you set the output resolution to a constant scaled resolution, like 720p, 1080p, 4K, you name it. And then any input source you route to that output will get scaled to the desired resolution. Another mode you can run the DIMAX-Pro in is video processor. In video processor mode, we group multiple outputs together to display one large canvas. In this case, we're looking at a 3x3. In my demo room, I have a 2x2, four outputs. Regardless, we get one large canvas and we can size and position inputs as windows or PIPs anywhere on that video wall, any size and position, and then save those as layouts to be recalled later. Another key feature is separate audio switching. There's a separate audio matrix built in. On the input side, you can choose whether you bring audio from HDMI or 2-channel analog, and then route it with video or independent from video to the outputs. DEXON builds all of our hardware for reliable 24/7 operation to run for 10 or more years in installed environments. It's a rugged metal card cage chassis. There's redundant power supplies available in each chassis size. And you'll see the other ports there's 2 separate LAN ports, so we can have this product on 2 separate networks if needed. And there's also USB, so you can plug in a keyboard, mouse, and monitor directly to the back of the unit to control it. Or you can use our easy-to-use HTML5 software interface. And that's what we're going to cover in this training series, is the software. So check back for the next videos for more in-depth look at the DIMAX-Pro software and product line in our new training series. Thanks for watching.